Concierge Lounge right next to our room, 12012. Ring the doorbell. We are staying in a 1-bedroom suite. Here we have the guest bathroom, which our daughter will be staying in. You've got the toilet, and a stand-up shower that she has already claimed as her little spot. My favorite part is we do get 3 closets that we have fully filled up. So we get a little hanging area. I've got my shoes. And then our daughter has claimed this closet with the drawers. And then, voila, we've got our little walk-in closet that we have managed to fit all our stuff in for a 7-night sailing. And as you come in, this bed would come out right here if you had a 5th person. We've got our living space. And then here, we've got our fully stocked fridge. We chose to have just waters and brought a little extra stuff. With the 1-bedroom suite, you do get the dining room table, which we'll be using some in-room dining service. And then with our bedroom, what's really cool is that at night, we're able to close it off right here and close ourselves in. So our daughter sleeps out there on the sofa, and we have our bedroom, TV, and then I have an area where I can get ready for little Castaway silver gifts. And then in the bathroom, we've got the nice jet tub, double sinks, and as well as the split bathroom and another stand-up shower. And what is neat, oops, stepped on the stool, is depending on where the remote went, I was going to show you that there's a TV in the mirror. Up here it is. Power. Oh, there it went. Does it take a minute to load? There we go. As it loads, we'll check out the TV here in a minute. And then that is the TV that why we get to watch whenever we are in the tub. And I will take you out to the balcony. It was raining earlier, so. So this balcony is on a bump, so we get a little bit of an extended balcony with the lounge chairs and the chairs. So we haven't left yet, but what's really neat is we can see, since it's a bump, all the way down here. Pretty cool.
Because we had a 1-bedroom suite, we were able to have a hot in-room dining for breakfast and dinner from the dining room. If you're a concierge, then you can have a special meet and greet of a Disney character on the concierge deck. Please like and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.